On US Mobile, one plan gives you access to two of America's best networks for you, your friends, family, employees, and all of your tech devices. I'm Anthony from US Mobile, and today I'll be showing you how to create and manage a shareable data plan on US Mobile. Let's do it. Begin by logging into your US Mobile account. You'll be at the dashboard, so head over to All My Pools on the left side. Here, you can view your active pools and create a new one. Select the option to create a new pool, and next we'll select your plan. Customize your pool with a unique name, icon, and color. You may want to label this based on the people who will be using it, or maybe a handful of devices that will be sharing this plan. Accordingly, I'm calling mine the family. Next, we can send you SIM card starter kits to get your service going. The SIM card is what you insert into your phone to connect to the network. But there's also an option to connect without a SIM card altogether. This is called eSIM. More on that later. Next, you have the option to move any existing US Mobile lines into this pool. You can select a handful or none at all. Next, choose the pool size. This is how many gigabytes of data you'll get each month on a recurring basis. Keep in mind, these plans are customizable, so month to month you can change it to whatever you need. You can also add a top-up if you're running low on data and you need to add a little bit more. Make sure your payment method and address are accurate, and then hit Create Pool. Awesome. Allow me to explain how the pool dashboard works. At the top, you can see the pool's name, status, whether it's new, active, or snoozed, and you can also edit it from here. Change those colors, icons, and names at any time. At the top of the screen, you can also see how much data you have left. This is shown in gigabyte amount and also percentage amount. If you're running low on data and you need some more, just hit Add a Top-Up. There's a separate video that explains this even further. I've linked in the description below. Also at the top, you can view how many lines are in this pool and add a new line at any time. Okay, with all that aside, let's jump into adding our first line to this pool. There are 3 ways to add lines. You can add existing lines that are already on US Mobile, you can get a new number through US Mobile, or you can transfer your number from your old carrier over to us. For today's demo, I'll show you how to do this getting a new number. One of the key features of US Mobile is that we have 2 amazing networks to choose from. Learn more about their features and compatibility in your area on usmobile.com/networks or the link in the description. Next, choose whether you'll activate with a physical SIM or an eSIM. The essential difference here is that the physical option is for inserting a SIM card into your phone. You can get a physical SIM card by ordering a free starter kit. eSIM, on the other hand, is embedded inside your phone. This option basically downloads your phone plan from the cloud without having to fumble with any tiny pieces of plastic. I left a link down below so you can check if your phone is compatible with eSIM. There's no difference in quality of service or speeds, so you can choose whatever option works best for you. Once you've made your choice, type in your phone's IMEI. This is buried in the settings, so if you need a little help, tap the button on screen and we'll show you around. Okay, once we confirm your device is compatible with our service, we're going to move on to the fun part, which is getting your new phone number. Type in your zip code, or any zip code, and it'll generate a few phone numbers for you. You can do this up to 6 times to generate a phone number that you really like. Remember, if you already have a phone number that you want to bring over to us, just go back and select the Transfer My Number option. Okay, found a number that you like? Select it and choose Get Your New Number. Now you'll have a slightly different activation process depending on if you chose eSIM or physical. View the guides in the description or on screen and I'll walk you through activating your line. It's quick and simple and should take 5 minutes max. Okay, awesome. Let's jump back into your pool. Pun not intended. Anyway, at center stage we have the overview. View your data usage and see how it stacks up versus the last period to view trends over time. With this info, you can decide whether you need more or fewer gigabytes of data next month. Jump onto the Lines tab to see how each line is behaving. You can also find the unique ICC ID code, status, and individual usage info. Finally, we have settings where you can change your plan, change the status of your line from active to snoozing, or deactivate your service altogether. It's only been a few minutes though, so I'd hate to see you go. You can also change your payment method here at the bottom. On the right side, you can view your upcoming bill with a simple breakdown of lines, data, and the final cost. Plus, at any time you can add a new line to this pool using the 3 methods we went over earlier. Migrate an existing line, get a new number, or transfer a number from your old carrier. If you need a hand managing this shareable data plan, I've linked another very useful guide on adding users to your account. It's incredibly simple to add more people to your US Mobile account with different options like admin or viewer status. And just like that, you're on your way to huge savings with US Mobile for you and all your people. If you hit any roadblocks along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. They're here for you 24/7 and they are the friendliest in the biz. Plus, you can check out our huge catalog of video tutorials and much more fun content for you to enjoy on US Mobile videos. I've been Anthony with US Mobile and I will see you in the next one. Happy connecting!